Once we have all the equipment installed on the backplane and all the wiring that we can do on the bench, it's time to put the backplane into the panel. So at that point, we'll take the backplane and install it into the panel, make sure that it fits in the enclosure the way that it should and that all the components have the clearances that are required to meet UL specifications. Once we have the panels built and once all the wiring is done, at that point we'll take the design package, the electrical drawings, and we'll do what we call a pre-startup inspection, where we'll go through each wire, verify that it is labeled correctly, that is the correct size, the correct color, and that it is wired exactly to the drawings. We call this our static PSI check. This is done for every panel that we build here. Once we have our static PSI checks done, at that point it's time for our UL certification specialist to come in and verify that all of the equipment and that all of the wiring and the design meets all of the UL certification standards. We then certify the panel and it gets a UL sticker showing that it is a UL certified panel. Once the panel build is complete, UL certified, and all the static checks have been completed, we'll go ahead and put power to the panel. We'll put power to each device and verify that it is not defective from the factory and that it works as well as we can test it here in our shop. If we have the machine to test the devices, we'll do that at that point and make sure that the HMIs work, the switches work, all of the devices that we can check out here in the shop with power on them, we'll do that as part of our dynamic PSI check. After the panel's been dynamically tested, it's ready for packing and shipping. We ship panels all over the country, all over the world. Here at Ronco Machine, quality is #1, and getting the finished product to our customer is of the utmost importance.